Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the clip in the timeline so you can change its audio properties immediately. Once selected, make sure the audio track is not muted and the track is visible. This prevents accidental edits to a hidden channel. Use the program monitor to play the clip and watch meters for peaks. While you preview, note target loudness and how much gain you need. This quick assessment sets the tone for precise adjustments that follow, saving time and avoiding harmful clipping. Now you adjust the clip volume using the rubber band or numeric controls, which gives you both tactile and precise options. Dragging the band is fast for coarse changes. Open effect controls and enter dB values when you need exact levels. If the audio requires dynamic shaping, add keyframes on the level property to raise or lower volume over time. This preserves natural transitions. Make sure to listen through headphones and watch the meters as you work, so you maintain consistent loudness without introducing. Finish by checking overall mix and rendering if playback stutters. Rendering stabilizes audio preview and ensures accurate monitoring. Once done, run loudness radar or use match loudness to hit your target LUFS for broadcast or streaming, which keeps levels consistent across clips. If you see clipping, reduce clip gain and add a limiter or hard brick wall at about -1 to -3 dB to tame peaks. If problems persist, reset gain and re-audio match the clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.